In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your reports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Select the enterprise or location for your report, then click on Reports. Select the report you would like to view. Now you should arrive at your report. If you want to view more than one day for this report, you can use the up and down arrows next to days. Let's say I want to view 2 days. I can click up, and now the report has changed to show both the 28th and the 29th. I can also choose to view a week at a time. I'll change this back to 1, and then next to days, I will click the arrow, and I can choose range, days, weeks, months, quarters, or years. I'll go ahead and choose week. And now I'm seeing the scheduled days for each employee for this week. If I don't want to view the current week, I can click the calendar icon. And let's say I want to view the first week of the month. I'll click November 4th. And now I'm seeing that date range. I could have also used the forward or backward arrows to change the starting date for this report. That's how you can change the days you're viewing on a report. I could also add a filter. Let's say I'm looking for one employee. I can click the filter icon, then click the arrow next to select, and I can choose to make a filter based on any of these parameters. I'm going to go ahead and say employees. Then I can pick a specific employee. Let's say cat. And I do need to add this filter to the report, so I will click Add at the bottom of the list. If you don't want to add this filter, exit out of this. If you do, choose Apply. And now I'm only being shown Kat's days that she's scheduled to work. To remove that filter, click on the filter icon again, and then choose Clear. Now that filter has been removed. If you want to add a saved filter, you can click the arrow next to Saved and choose one of the filters you have created and saved. Say part-time employees. Then this filter would be added to this report. If you want to add this saved filter, choose Apply. I don't, so I'm going to choose Clear, and then choose Apply to remove all filters. And now I'm back to the original report setup. If I want to change the style, the coloring, and the font, I can choose Style and select one of the styles I've created. Let's say the purple one. If you don't want to add this style, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now I can view the report based on a style I have created. To go back to the default, click Style and choose Default. If you don't want to add the default, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now we're back at the default. I could also print this report by clicking Print. This is what your printed report will look like. You can either save this report or print based on your internet browser setup. To return to your TeamWork 5 page, choose Cancel. And that's how I could have printed that report. If you need to make any changes to this report, click Edit in the top right-hand corner. And now you can edit this report. That will be covered in the later design videos. So to view your report, go to the top menu bar and click on View. And you should arrive back at that same report. The last thing you can do is you can choose to save this report in a variety of formats. To do that, click the arrow next to View. And now you can choose to save your report as a PDF, CSV, text, XML, or JSON file. That's how you can view your report. Check out the next video to learn how to create a list report.